Hi guys, today I want to talk you about how to split screen on Mac. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's dive right in. In the top of the left corner of any window, you will see a green dot. When you hover over it and click, the window goes full screen. If you click it again, you will exit full screen. When you hover over the green dot again, you will see more split screen options. For example, we can place Chrome on the right side and numbers on the left side, giving us two windows side by side. You can work in both windows same. Working in two windows is the most suitable in my opinion. There's also an option to split the screen vertically, with one window on the top and the other at the bottom. You can also work in two windows at the moment. But from the point of view of perspective, it is more practical to left and right. Another possibility is to work with three windows same, where you can adjust which one is the largest. This windows is suitable, for example, if you want to watch something in small window and work in large window. Finally, you can split your screen into four windows by opening a third window and arranging all four in the grid. While this setup might not be the most practical, it's a great option to have. And this is all. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.